Next section is simplification of numerical expressions. Expressions having the constant values and operations. For example, 36 divide 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 4. You can perform this solved several ways. So you can need the procedure for the priority. First priority goes to divide. Next priority goes to multiply. Next addition. Next one is subtraction. That is the DMOS. First priority goes to division. Here the division is 36 divided by 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 4. First priority goes to division. 36 divided by 3, how many times? 12 times. Plus 4 into 3 minus 4. That is division. Next priority goes to multiplication. This one is first, multiplication is second, addition is third, fourth one is subtractions. Next goes to multiplication. Here multiplication is here 4 into 3, 12 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 4. Here using the multiplication. Next priority goes to addition. Here addition is 12 plus 12, 24 minus 4. Here using addition. Next priority goes to, the last one is subtraction. 24 minus 4 is 20. This is the way of simplifying the numerical expressions. Next one, brackets. In the expressions having brackets, that is the BODMAS. The brackets having three types. This is round bracket. This one is curly bracket. This is square bracket. The first priority goes to first solve the bracket values. Next move to the division. Next move to multiplication. Next one is addition. The last one is subtractions. First you can solve the bracket values in the expressions. Next one is if the grouping of symbol dash, that is bar, called bar. This is the bar. Then the term inside the bar are simplified before the brackets. For example, simplify this expressions. This expression having the square brackets, curly brackets and bar also. You can solve the first solution. 20 minus of minus 15 plus curly bracket 4 divided. The first priority goes to bar. Here the bar value is minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1 plus minus 3. The value is minus 4. Close the curly bracket into 6. The next step. 20 minus square bracket of 15 plus. The next one is first close the here the square bracket ends with in this in the square bracket inside having the curly brackets. The curly brackets are having also operations, the division operation. First you can finish the division operation. Next one is next to move the square bracket. 4 divided by minus 4 is minus 1 into 6. 20 minus of minus 15 plus here the square bracket having two operations. One is addition, another one is multiplication. The first priority goes to the multiplications. Here the minus 15 is right same as 15 plus minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Next step, 20 minus of minus 15. Here the two operations of having together, you can sign here one operation. So plus into minus, the answer is minus. So you can put negative sign, negative 6. 20 minus of, first remove the brackets. So you can perform the bracket values. Minus 15 minus 6 is, answer is minus 21. The next step is 20. Here minus into minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So the operation is plus 21. The answer is 41. Next, second example. Write the following in mathematical form and then simplify. This is the word problem. The first question is 6 is added to 10 divided by 5. Here the question is 6 is added to 10 divided by 5. The solution is 6 is added to. 2 means this value will first 10 divided by 5 plus 6. This is the expression. Form a mathematical expressions and then simplify. You can simplify this expression. The first priority goes to the brackets. 10 divided by 5, the value is 2. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 is the answer. Next, second question. 5 is subtracted from 6 times 8. Solution. This value is 5. 6 times 8 means 6 times means 6 into 8. From here, the from means this one is comes first, next then this. 6 into 8 subtracted 5. This is the expression. Next, simplified. First priority here having two operations. One is multiplication, another one is subtraction. The first priority goes to multiplication. 8 6 are 48 minus 5. 48 minus 5, the answer is 43.